Remember the magical chemistry between Bobby Deol and Preity Zinta in Soldier? Well, the iconic duo just gave fans a sweet dose of nostalgia, and the internet can't stop gushing. At Manish Malhotra's Diwali Bash, Bobby and Preity had a surprise reunion, and it was every bit heartwarming. As soon as they spotted each other, the two shared the most adorable hug. Fans instantly felt the love and friendship between them, still going strong after all these years. What truly touched everyone was when Preity warmly greeted Bobby's wife, Tanya Deol. She didn't just say hello, she lovingly pulled her in for a photo too, when the paparazzi asked Bobby and Preity to pose together.
Bobby sir, साथ में. Bobby sir, साथ में photo. साथ में.
The three of them, Bobby, Preity, and Tanya, looked picture perfect, smiling together as cameras clicked away. Preity looked radiant in a simple yet elegant white anarkali set. Bobby rocked a maroon velvet kurta with intricate jardosi work. And Tanya stunned in a shimmering gold sequin sari, pure festive glam. Fans couldn't get enough of this moment. One person wrote, "I don't think anyone can hate on Preity. She's too cute." Another said, "Bring back Bobby Deol and Preity Zinta in Soldier 2, Ramesh Taurani. We miss them so much." Some were even reminded of their other film Jhoom Barabar Jhoom and the song Kiss of Love. Soldier, released in 1998, was the second biggest blockbuster of that year, right after Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and clearly, the love for it still lives on. On the work front, Preity Zinta is making her comeback in Lahore 1947 opposite Sunny Deol, produced by Amir Khan. Meanwhile, Bobby Deol was recently seen in Ayan Khan's directorial debut, The Bads of Bollywood. This reunion was the perfect Diwali treat for fans, nostalgic, sweet, and full of love. Tell us in the comments, do you want Soldier 2 to happen? The spotlight was all hers as Aneet Pad made a jaw-dropping debut on the runway for designer Tarun Tahiliani. Grace, style, and a dazzling smile, Aneet brought it all. Dressed in a stunning beige ensemble from Tarun Tahiliani's latest collection, Bejeweled, Aneet looked like a vision in gold. Her outfit took inspiration from the timeless grace of Indian drapes, a sari reimagined as a gown through the lens of modern couture. The look was completed with a matching corset, diamond-adorned bracelets, a bold statement ring, and delicate jewelry. Her hair, effortlessly styled in a center parting with soft blowout waves. And her makeup, darkened brows, muted smoky eyes, winged eyeliner, mascara-kissed lashes, glossy pink lips, and a flawless made base, all tied together with a touch of blush and highlighter. From the first step to the last, Aneet wore her confidence like a crown. That smile never left her face, and neither did the charm. She walked the ramp like a seasoned pro, stealing hearts along the way. Fans couldn't stop praising her online. One user wrote, "Literally so proud of my queen, slayed the first walk." Another said, "You slayed it, my girl, so proud of you." And the love kept pouring in. It was her first time, and she wasn't even a trained model. Yet her beauty, aura, and smile owned the spotlight. Let the haters bark. Finally, a natural beauty debut with a real aura. She did so well as a complete newcomer and outsider at this young age. Aneet Pad, proud of you. It was a debut to remember, a perfect blend of tradition and glam, confidence and charm. Aneet Pad didn't just walk the ramp, she owned it. Tara Sutaria and Veer Paharia recently made everyone swoon with their much-awaited red carpet debut as a couple. The setting? Manish Malhotra's glamorous Diwali party, and these two absolutely stole the show. Walking hand in hand, Tara and Veer looked effortlessly chic and totally in sync. Their warm smiles, easy camaraderie, and loving glances left no doubt they are comfortable and happy together. Fans at the star-studded event couldn't stop talking about this adorable couple moment. The buzz around their relationship has been growing for a while now, but Tara and Veer had kept things private, not publicly confirming anything. When asked about their relationship after a fashion show, Tara kept it personal. She said, "It's too personal and I won't be able to talk about it." However, on Ganesh Chaturthi, Tara almost gave fans a little hint, sharing a romantic photo with Veer on social media, softly launching their relationship. In a recent chat on Ranveer Allahabadia's podcast, Tara opened up about some tough times in her life, including a breakup, but with a positive outlook. She said, "I'm good at letting things go. I'm not good at holding on to things. Life, for the most part, has been amazing, but some of it has been a little tougher than I would have liked it to have been. But no crap that I'm dealing with. The good thing is that I have developed a good sense of self and understand." When asked if she had ever felt numb or burnt out, Tara admitted, "For a year, that's certainly how I felt. I'm good at picking myself up and figuring it out. I've had to do it a lot in the last 10 years of my life, since I became a part of this industry. It's a very unforgiving place, a very isolating place. But when it comes to love, Tara has no doubts." She shared, "Go on a trip with the love of your life, it changes your perspective on everything. No career, no nothing beats love. Anyone who says otherwise hasn't been in it." From a stunning red carpet debut to heartfelt revelations, Tara Sutaria and Veer Paharia are truly winning hearts, both on and off the screen. What do you think about their journey? Let us know in the comments. Samantha Ruth Prabhu recently dropped a fresh set of photos on Instagram, and fans are reading into every frame. From traditional puja shots to subtle hints in her caption, the actress may be signaling that a new chapter in her life has begun. One striking image in her October dump shows her seated for a puja, dressed in a bright red ethnic outfit. Someone sits beside her, though Samantha only shares her own frame and the ceremonial setup. She doesn't name the ritual, but many believe it was her housewarming puja, following her move into a new home. This post has reignited speculation about Samantha's love life, particularly with filmmaker Raj Nidimoru of the Family Man and Citadel, Honey Bunny fame. The two have been spotted together often, and Samantha occasionally shares posts featuring him. Though neither has confirmed anything publicly, many fans are convinced she's found love again. Samantha's caption reads, "All that I think, say, do, and aim for should honor my highest self. That's what came to me during my silence. Now, I just hope I can live it, not just say it." The message suggests she's in a reflective and self-aware place, possibly preparing for change. To give context, Samantha was married to actor Naga Chaitanya from 2017 to 2021. The couple separated by mutual consent in October 2021. After their split, Naga went on to marry Sobhita Dhulipala in 2024. Meanwhile, Samantha seems to be stepping into a new era. With her puja photos, meaningful caption, and consistent presence of Raj Nidimoru in her feeds, fans are watching closely. Is a new romantic chapter unfolding for Samantha? Only time will tell, but the signs are certainly pointing in that direction. Veteran actor Anu Kapoor has landed in controversy again, this time over his comments on actress Tamannaah Bhatia. His remarks during a recent interview have been called lewd and vulgar by social media users, with many demanding more respect for women. It all began when Anu was shown a clip of Tamanna's hit song Aaj Ki Raat during a conversation. The host asked if he liked the song and if he admired Tamannaah. To this, Anu Kapoor excitedly responded, "Oh my god, what milky body she has." The host then reminded him of Tamanna's light-hearted remark that kids fall asleep listening to that song. Anu replied, "Kids of which age sleep? A 70-year-old can also be a kid. I would have asked this question to her." He continued, "Our sister is making kids sleep with her song. With her milky face and body, if she is making our children sleep sweetly, it's very good, man. It will be a great blessing for this country that our children get a good and healthy night's sleep. If she has any other wishes, may God give her the capability to fulfill her wishes. That's my blessing for her." Soon after, social media erupted with strong reactions. Many called the comments inappropriate and disrespectful. One user wrote, "Please be respectful. Don't you have a daughter or grandchildren?" Another said, "WTH, this man gives Tharki vibes." One comment read, "Ashleel hai ye." Another asked, "Will you say this to your own daughter?" And one simply wrote, "Control Anu Sahab, control." Earlier this year, Tamannaah addressed being labelled as a milky beauty during promotions of her film Audela 2. She said, "You are saying milky beauty, but why you looked at a milky beauty and thought that she can't be a Shiva Shakti? Your question has the answer in it." She added, "Glamour in a woman is to be celebrated, and we women must celebrate ourselves. Then we can expect other people to celebrate us." Tamannaah was last seen in the web series Do You Wanna Partner, where she played a woman launching a beer startup. As for this controversy, the internet has made its stance loud and clear.